नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल आणि येवकार तुमकां सगळ्यांक इन स्पेशल एपिसोड ऑफ गजाली. आणि आमी अशें म्हणटात की गोंय, गोंयकार आनी गोंयकारपण ही उतरां सद्या ट्रेंडिंगान आसा खरी, बट गोंयकारपण किंवा गोंय जेन्ना म्हणटा तेन्ना आमकां एक सुंदर अशें एक दृश्य दिश्टी पडटा. म्हळ्यार हेवन, स्वर्ग म्हटल्यार जाता आमी. आमचे भारतांतले, ह्या वर्ल्डांतले स्वर्ग म्हटल्यार जाता. अँड ह्या स्वर्गान आमी तर रावतात सगळे जाण. पूण स्वर्गा भितर आनी एक स्वर्ग आसा, द बेस्ट प्लेस. जेन्ना ट्युरिस्ट हांगासर येता तेन्ना एक नांव नक्की हांगाच्यान घेवन वता. स्वर्गा भितरले स्वर्ग अशें
throw it away or burn it. I'm saying give it to some of the migrant labor who is in Goa. You have mosquito nets. In the past, I had brought down the malaria count in Goa, in Kalangut, from 6,000 to 600. Malaria is a deadly disease. We saved lives.
Which year this was?
This was in the year 2006. In the year 2006, we had also started Goa United Football Academy because our people are very high-spirited, let's put it that way, quite aggressive sometimes. So we need to channel that aggression in the right way, either through football or through business. You need to be in entrepreneurship. You need to be aggressive. So it's a very good quality, but we need to focus them.
And it's about your family, like your brother helps you in this business. Tell me about that. Like,
We are a perfect combination. I have no sense of style or design. My brother has a beautiful sense of style and design. I'm very mathematical. My brother is not mathematical.
so combination is good.
Combination is perfect. We get on very well. It's my duty as the elder brother to always look out for him. I wish, more brothers would be like that because it's about, business eventually is a game. It's not, it should not make or break relationships, whether brothers or friends. Your friendship should come first. We should not lose friends because of business. It's better to be a friend first and then you can do business together.
Sir, about the Tito's, last time सुद्धा मी उलयताना उलयताले because of some unwanted elements surrounding. खूपदां नांव पाड जावपाची शक्यता आसता अँड गोंयच्या लोकांक मातशें कितें सांगलें का पयलीं तकलेन वता. So how you tackle this type of situations?
Again, that is part of marketing. Bad publicity can destroy a business. Bad publicity can not only destroy your business, there's like in our case, there's 300 employees which depend on our business. Then it's their families. Exactly. So extended, there's about 2,000 people that depend on the business. If bad publicity is allowed to destroy your business, you're also letting your staff and their families down. Sometimes you have a bad element within your business. So that bad element, you have to take a preemptive strike. As our dear Chief Minister has just said, you have to take preemptive strikes sometimes. So I truly believe you have to take preemptive strikes and see where the bad publicity is emanating from and cut it out there.
Because as we all know, कारण आम्ही खूप दिस जाले उलयताय बीन केन्ना केन्ना because Tito's जेन्ना enter जाता तेन्ना they have a full check on them. Yeah. From enter to सोडटा.
We check them for drugs, we check them for weapons, we check them for anything illegal.
Sir, moving to the next question, 50th birthday. So पुराय गोंयकारान तुमकां विश केलाच सर आसतले बट एक गिफ्ट जो तुम्ही गोंयकारां खातीर दिला कलंगूटच्या लोकां खातीर दिला इट्स हेल्पिंग हँड्स. एनी अदर गुड न्यूज सर?
We are going public. We have not mentioned this to anyone as yet. So you're getting the breaking news.
टिटोज वांगडा सुरू करतना कितें आशिल्लें मनान?
When we started, actually, my dad passed away, 83, 84. So I was 15, my brother was 16. So we just took over, and we had this place. It was not ours. It was a rented property. So we took over the place, and we were young, so we had really nice ideas. 5 tables. We used to serve a lot of people at that time. We had loads of foreigners then, few Indian tourists. And Ricky was in the kitchen most of the time. He used to do the cooking and stuff like that. And I was the front man. So I was actually put in the front, bullied into be put in the front, because it was one or more duty to send the bills out. And I loved it. And and from there it's gone like a long way. And today he's reaching 50. I mean, he'll be 50 on 19th, and it's wow, man. So really glad we're together with everything we do.
So
Good.
you are तुम्ही 1 वर्ष धाकटे आसा फक्त.
1 year 4 months. 1 वर्ष 4 महिने.
Next year तुला wish करू.
Next year I'm pona sang bhavtolo.
Look like actually.
Thank you.
रिकार्डो कडे उलयताना एक गोष्ट त्यांनी सांगली की he was good in maths.
Yeah, he was actually.
Yes, and तुम्ही creativity चढ आशिल्ली.
Yeah.
The combination match.
The combination matched, and it still matches.
Yeah.
And we don't, how would you say, we don't get into each other's way. So if I'm doing something, he's guaranteed, he knows that it's for the business.
Yes.
If he does something, I know it's 100% for the business. So there are no questions asked and all. When partnerships happen, people eventually say, oh, why you're doing this? Why you're spending this much money? Who are you giving this to? This doesn't happen with us. It's there, it's working, great. Today, a lot of people are running after money, and everyone's in a rat race. And if relationships are better, I mean, you keep your relationships. Like, I know people who have worked for me for the last 40 years. I still am paying them. If I don't pay them, my brother would. If my brother wouldn't, my mother would. So might as well I do it, So for the last 40 years, we've got people who have worked for us. They don't do much, but we look after their families. We have done a lot of charity. We have built houses for them. We have paid for their schooling. We have paid for their children's schooling, for their weddings. So the way I look at it, we are baking a cake. And we are happy to share all the slices. It is not like I want a bigger piece of the cake. And as I was just saying earlier on to you, even me and Ricardo, we are both on a salary. We are directors of the company, we are both on salaries. Slightly higher, but we take the risk of the whole place,
So today, your brother's birthday, 50th birthday, so your wishes to him.
Definitely. Ricky, have a great birthday. I love you. I love you.
येस आणि आमच्या खातीर दोन्ही भाव इन्स्पिरेशन आसा आनी आसतले ह्यान फुडें ठरतले आनी आमचे गोंयकारांचे पुराय विशीस सर तुमच्या वांगडा आसतल्यो सर तुमी आयले आनी इतल्यो मोलादीक तुमचो वेळ आमकां दिलो थँक्यू व्हेरी मच थँक्यू
You're very good.
थँक्यू सर
To be very honest, he is a gem of a person. I know him from the childhood for the last 35 years. People will not believe if I say so. He used to also sell sandwiches just under the coconut tree down there at the entrance of Tito. Yes. He is a good chef. He used to do all the cooking by himself in his restaurant, in his kitchen. And he is an unbelievable guy. And what I'm going to say today is from my bottom of my heart. I know Ricky for 35 years. I have never seen a person like Ricky in my entire life. I can call him a gem, but he is more than a gem. And which everybody knows in Goa, who knows Ricky. And I feel, that I am the luckiest person in this world to have a friend like Ricky. And whatever I am today in my entire life, as a human being, is because of his guidance. And I wish him a happy 50th birthday and many more to come.
आमकां वचता म्हणल्यार कित्याक हांव ल्हान आसतना जेन्ना आमी टिटोज म्हणून बिचार येताले एज ऑफ 14-15 कितें आहले बेश्टे येताले आमी टिटोज पळोवपाक पळयत जाल्यार ते म्हाजे एजीचेच ते म्हणून हांव केन्ना पळयतालो तांकां धाकटुले आहले तेन्ना तेंचे बरें वेरी हार्ड वर्कर ते म्हळ्यार हांवें पळयलें की म्हणलें कितें टिटोज आमकां खबर नासली मागीर हेत करून 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 केन्नाय परतून येताले आमी केन्ना वचोना भितर भायर रावन पळोवप आनी वचप आनी मागीर खूब वर्सांनी परतून मागीर आमी मेवले आनी रिकी तेका फुडें पयलीं आमचे इतली फ्रेंडशीप नासली मागीर आमकां केन्ना मेवलो रिकी हांव खंयसरी मेवलो हात भात दितालो रिकीक हांव कोण मातसो फशीत जातालो आमचेच गोंयकार हें करता म्हणून टिटोस बा म्हणून म्हणटकच मागीर फ्रेंड जाले मागीर येवंक लागलो म्हाका आपोवंक लागलो येवन बसोंक लागले आमी तेन्ना कांय नासलें बट तेणें कितें केलां न्हू गोंयान आमकां सामकें गोंयकारांक नांव व्हडलां तेणें आनी असलो मनीस गोंयान मेवपाक व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट.
I think the secret is in his heart because he never feel like 50 even though he says in his mind he's 70 or 80 because his wisdom is quite deep, you know. But he feels much younger, he feels maybe like 30 or even 25 because he exercises a lot. He tries to follow up that positive thinking, always will keep you young. He smiles also a lot.
I have not seen a person like Ricky, personally, and I don't have words to explain what he means to me, personally. Since I have known him many years and I'm working with him for the last 17 to 18 years, he has been a very kind person as a human being, and as a boss, I don't think so I would want to work for anyone else. Not only for him, but you know, for his brother and his family. They are exceptional human beings. You can't find people like them around anyway. For me, Ricky is not 50 at all. For me, Ricky is Ricky. And I don't know what to say about his 50th birthday, but my prayers, my wishes, all and always will be there for Ricky. I hope he remains happy and God gives him the best of health, you know, to make this 50 into 100.
To us friends, Ricky is not a man, it is a feeling. Ricky अंडरस्टँड करपाक रिकीचो तूं फ्रेंड जावपाक जाय ताका समज कोंकणीन डिस्क्रायब करतले तो एक पोन्नेराद गोंयकार रिस्पेक्टफूल अ गुड मॅन आनी जे ताजे बरोबर आसात ते तुमकां सगळ्यांक सांगतले ही इज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ अ फ्रेंड. अशे मनशाचो आज 50वा वाडदिवस. I take this opportunity on behalf of all the friends, all the well-wishers to wish you, Ricky, a lot of peace, a lot of prosperity, a lot of prominence.